You're not playing in the next game. No, it's
I just can't go for a run. We're gonna have time, gotta wait for fucking Paul. I'll just be stood there doing nothing for them.
Over there.
Good effort though, guys. Nope. Hit! Good go. That 6 kills down.
Nicely done, mate, nicely done.
Hurrah! Go on, push up! He's down! Push up! Push up! Hit! Hit! Sight. Got men up on the wall side, move forward. Got a man right ahead, so careful. Moving up. Split into two teams and go down each alley. I think they're going to have a firing point on the other side and we don't want to get funneled down. Yeah. Yeah, I don't mind. Should we move forward? Ready? Go. Right, left's clear. Moving forward. Okay, we've got fire coming from the left. Got left covered. Right, we've got people on the other side of the SOM line. Should we go through? We've got contact. Tags to the other side of the compound.
On me.
Tags this way. Contact straight ahead. Move down and get down the other path. Right, I'm going round. I'm going to flank them. Yeah, keep that covered. Get another firing point this side. Hit! Same guy in the position, try. He was behind the barrier, just slightly right. Move through. We just need to find out if our team have got through the side of the SOM.
Dan keeps getting to there.
Okay.
He's getting taken out by someone over here. But we haven't got a good angle here.
No. I wonder if there's any cover we can get to. Right, we've got... I know, it's got enemies down. Right. We're pinned down by the guy on the barrier on our left. Got our flank. Yeah. Right, it's, I'm left-handed. Do you want me to get round there?
We haven't really got much cover. It's cool there, really.
Looks like we're clear on the right. We got any cover we can get to? Yeah, so we can spawn on them, but let's push through.
He's somewhere on this side. Behind the cover.
Has the sniper fired recently? Right, Dan's in front. Should we move on out? Let's go. Let's go. Can't make you first. Contact straight ahead. Right hand side of the Chuffington. Spawn on me. Yeah.
Is he down?
No, he's still up. Sorry, mate. What's Dan's location? You don't know? Down here, cool. Right, we've got fire coming from over there, that's not seeing anything. Sounds like it's back compound wall. Do you want to move out a bit and see if we can get a better view? I just don't want to get pinned in these corners and what these barriers. Let's move up. Yeah. We don't. Okay. Yeah, let's get through there. Looks. Yeah, I think this would be our best option. Looks like they're lobbing a few nades that side. I reckon our team have got halfway through compound.
Yeah. So you're going to push on.
Get through these alleys through the Somme? Or should we keep going to Narm?
Keep going.
Yeah. I want to check this back compound wall. It seems to be a lot of contact back there. Right, we've got fire. Hit! Sorry mate, sorry dude. Couldn't see the tag on your other arm. Moving up. We're going through. Watch your left. Enemy coming. 5 o'clock. Our team, move forward. Got the left. Moving up. Let's go. Right. Do you know if you secured Chuffington? Watch your left flank. Whoa, under fire. No, it's coming that side. Quickest way back, straight ahead. Tea house.
It's like 5 o'clock, mate, right behind us.
Down to us. Right. Moving that side. Anyone see where the fire's coming from? Yeah.
1, 2.
I think there's one person defending.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, there's one poking their head off the corner of the compound. So someone's poking their head over it.
Hit! Good, you're under fire. Watch out, fire coming from your left side. Paul's moving into the waddy. Cool. I can't, I just... Yeah, on top of the hill. Sorry. Dude, there's one like just behind the marshal.